Welcome to the Tech Factory, your ultimate destination for all things futuristic. In today's video, we dive into 12 emerging technologies that will change the world forever. From programmable matter and the incredible CyberDog 2, to groundbreaking wearable tech like the Galaxy Ring. Stay tuned as we explore the future of mobility, AI, and robotics, with cutting-edge advancements that are set to change the world. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us for more exciting tech revelations. Hyundai Elevate. The Hyundai Elevate isn't just a concept vehicle, it's a revolutionary approach to mobility. With robotic legs and a multi-joint design inspired by insects, this vehicle is built to navigate places other vehicles simply can't reach. Imagine a car that can climb over obstacles, cross wide gaps, and handle the toughest terrains. The Hyundai Elevate does exactly that. It's designed to move where traditional wheels and tracks would struggle, making it an ultimate mobility vehicle, often called a UMV. But what makes the Hyundai Elevate even more remarkable? Its potential uses go beyond just rugged terrain. This vehicle could play a vital role in disaster relief, helping rescue teams reach remote or blocked areas. It can also be used for rural exploration, reaching areas without paved roads. And for those with limited mobility, the Hyundai Elevate could offer accessible transportation options, moving easily up steps or over barriers that might otherwise be obstacles. With its futuristic approach to movement, the Hyundai Elevate isn't just a vehicle, it's a new way of thinking about transportation. This concept gives us a glimpse into a world where vehicles adapt to the environment, not the other way around. Humane AI Pin. Introducing the Humane AI Pin, a groundbreaking wearable device that acts as your personal AI assistant. This innovative technology attaches easily to your clothing, seamlessly integrating into your daily life. The AI Pin is equipped with a variety of sensors that enable contextual and ambient computing. This transforms how you interact with personal technology, making it more intuitive and responsive to your needs. One of the standout features of the AI Pin is its laser ink display. This unique technology allows it to turn your hand into a display, giving you a touchpad for effortless interaction. You can control calls, adjust volume, and even capture moments with just a simple double tap. The AI Pin understands gestures like touch, tap, and swipe. It sifts through your texts and calls to provide you with the essentials you need to know, making communication more efficient. Privacy is a top priority with the AI Pin. It activates only on command, with no need for wake words. You'll also see trust light signals when it's capturing information, ensuring you always know when it's listening. Starting at $699, the Humane AI Pin is a significant step into the future. It offers a discreet yet powerful way to stay connected and in control, enhancing your everyday experiences. ESTECO Technology. ESTECO is a leading software company specializing in numerical optimization and simulation data management. With over 25 years of experience, ESTECO is at the forefront of the digital engineering journey, helping companies worldwide enhance their processes. Their key products, Volta and Mode Frontier, streamline simulation processes and optimize product design. These technologies make it easier for teams to collaborate, manage vast amounts of simulation data, and perform multidisciplinary design optimization studies. With over 300 organizations using their solutions, ESTECO has helped companies in various industries accelerate their product development. ESTECO is truly revolutionizing the field of digital engineering solutions. The future of digital engineering is here, and it's powered by ESTECO. Nokia Technology Vision 2030. The Nokia Technology Vision 2030 focuses on the rise of 6G networks, which will transform industries by offering unmatched connectivity, speed, and data processing. A key part of this vision is enhancing human-machine collaboration with AI, enabling smarter, more efficient interactions. Nokia also envisions a future where virtual and augmented reality become everyday experiences, and smart cities are powered by sustainable infrastructure. Sustainability is a major priority, with efforts aimed at eco-friendly technologies that reduce carbon emissions. With a focus on digital health, intelligent automation, and limitless connectivity, Nokia's 2030 vision seeks to create a hyper-connected world. This vision aims to improve human capabilities and drive innovation across all sectors of society. Programmable matter. Imagine a world where materials can change shape, size, color, or texture on demand. That's the promise of programmable matter, a groundbreaking technology that responds to external stimuli like heat, light, electricity, or magnetic fields. This innovation has endless possibilities across many industries. In healthcare, it could lead to medical devices that adapt to individual patients. In construction, materials might reshape themselves for different purposes. Even in space exploration, spacecraft could repair themselves during missions. Think about furniture that adjusts to fit your needs, clothing that adapts to your body, or gadgets that transform based on your preferences. Programmable matter turns static objects into dynamic, adaptable tools that respond with incredible precision. This technology is not just a futuristic concept. It's a step toward a world where materials can solve problems, perform tasks, and adapt to new situations seamlessly. Programmable matter represents the future of innovation, bringing a new level of flexibility and functionality to the things we use every day. CyberDog 2. Introducing Xiaomi's CyberDog 2, a bio-inspired quadruped robot built for impressive agility and intelligence. Powered by NVIDIA's Jetson Xavier NX AI supercomputer, CyberDog 2 is equipped with advanced hardware, including 384 CUDA cores, 48 tensor cores, a 6-core ARM CPU, and dual deep learning acceleration engines. This setup allows CyberDog 2 to handle complex tasks efficiently and in real time. With 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, 16 GB of eMMC storage, and a near industrial-grade 32 GB SSD, this robot is ready for demanding applications. Xiaomi has also developed custom CyberGear micro actuators to enhance CyberDog 2's mobility, giving it the agility to perform complex maneuvers like continuous backflips and fall recovery. The high-performance servo motor designed by Xiaomi further expands its movement capabilities, allowing CyberDog 2 to run, jump, and adapt to various terrains. With this next-level engineering, Xiaomi's CyberDog 2 is redefining what robotic movement and intelligence can achieve. Galaxy Ring. The Galaxy Ring is a discreet, minimalist wearable designed for fitness enthusiasts who want to track their health without the bulk of traditional devices. This sleek ring integrates advanced health monitoring features into a comfortable, stylish design. Equipped with cutting-edge sensors, the Galaxy Ring tracks key health metrics such as heart rate, sleep patterns, and skin temperature. These features provide valuable insights into your overall well-being. Its compact, lightweight design ensures comfort all day long, making it perfect for both workouts and everyday activities. With up to 7 days of battery life on a single charge, you can wear the Galaxy Ring day and night without worrying about recharging. The Galaxy Ring offers a convenient and efficient way to monitor your health while maintaining a stylish, low-profile look. Microsoft HoloLens 2. The Microsoft HoloLens 2 introduces a new era of mixed reality technology. It seamlessly blends the physical and digital worlds, bringing holograms into our everyday lives. With its cutting-edge design and advanced features, HoloLens 2 transforms how we interact with information and collaborate. From immersive gaming to high-tech industrial applications, it allows users to visualize, create, and engage with digital content in entirely new ways. Imagine exploring the vast potential of the HoloLens 2 as it reshapes industries, boosts productivity, and inspires creativity. This technology helps people unlock new levels of innovation and efficiency. Experience the future of computing with Microsoft HoloLens 2, where the line between imagination and reality fades away. Join us on this journey to discover how HoloLens 2 is revolutionizing the way we see and experience our world. Hyundai X CES 2022. Groundbreaking vision for the future of mobility. At CES 2022, Hyundai introduced a revolutionary vision for the future of mobility. This vision goes beyond what we could ever imagine, pushing the boundaries of movement and transportation. Hyundai is using the power of robotics to enhance human abilities. They're not just focusing on improving transportation, but also on creating new ways for people to interact with the world. This includes the development of advanced robots that can overcome current limitations in mobility. These robots are designed to extend beyond traditional transportation. Hyundai calls this concept metamobility. It's about more than just physical movement, it's about expanding mobility into virtual spaces. Hyundai is working on smart platforms that give access to the metaverse. This is a digital universe where people can connect and interact in new ways. Hyundai envisions a world where mobility plays a key role, even in virtual environments. Their approach shows their commitment to progress for humanity. They are aiming to reshape how we think about transportation and movement, both in the real world and in the metaverse. Hyundai's vision at CES 2022 shows their dedication to innovation and redefining the future of mobility. Figure 02. Figure 02 is a cutting-edge humanoid robot that marks a significant breakthrough in robotics. It's designed to integrate seamlessly into human environments and perform tasks that were once exclusive to people. Powered by advanced artificial intelligence and mechanical systems, Figure 02 can understand and respond to its surroundings with precision. This makes it a highly versatile and adaptable tool for a wide range of applications. One of its standout features is its exceptional dexterity and strength. Its articulated limbs allow it to handle intricate tasks like assembling delicate components while also being capable of lifting heavy objects. From precision work to labor-intensive tasks, Figure 02 can do it all with efficiency and reliability. This innovation represents the future of robotics, bridging the gap between human capabilities and machine assistance. Unitree Quadruped Robot, groundbreaking four-legged robotic platform. The Unitree Quadruped Robot is a cutting-edge, four-legged robotic platform that brings advanced mobility, intelligence, and versatility to a wide range of industries. Designed to navigate challenging terrains with ease, this agile robot is powered by sophisticated AI, enabling it to perform complex tasks autonomously. Whether used for industrial inspections, search and rescue missions, or even for educational and entertainment purposes, the Unitree Quadruped robot adapts to various environments and needs. Its modular design allows for customization, enabling users to equip it with sensors and other specialized tools. In addition to its technical capabilities, the robot features a user-friendly interface, making human-robot interaction seamless and intuitive. This makes the Unitree Quadruped robot an invaluable tool for boosting efficiency and fostering innovation across multiple sectors. AMBIDEX Rebot, the future of human-friendly robots. Meet AMBIDEX, an innovative robot arm developed by Naver Labs. Unlike traditional, bulky industrial robots, AMBIDEX is lightweight, lighter than a human arm, thanks to its unique cable-driven mechanism. This design makes it incredibly safe to interact with. In fact, you could even high-five it at high speeds without getting hurt. Despite its gentle touch, AMBIDEX is a powerhouse. It features 7 degrees of freedom, which allows it to mimic human arm movements with incredible precision. From dicing vegetables to playing ping-pong, AMBIDEX can handle a variety of tasks with ease. It can also be trained to perform new skills through haptic learning, where it learns by mimicking human actions. This opens up the possibility of a future where robots seamlessly integrate into our daily lives, working alongside us in homes, offices, and beyond.